What's up? I want to make another video here. I want to show you how to build stage lights for your stage or custom stage or whatever. And this is a tutorial video. So the first thing you're going to need is you're going to need some cardboard, some tape, and some scissors. Pretty simple, right? So the first step that you're going to do, I don't really have a tripod, but the first step you're going to do is you're going to make like a circle shape out of the cardboard. And I'll show you here in just like a second. And then once you get the shape that you're going to do, just if you have anything extra, just cut it, which is pretty much what I'm doing. So far I have this right here. So I got my shape figured out that I want to do for my light. So next we're just going to put some tape across here. Alrighty, so as you can see now I have finished my little circle thingy. So next what we're going to do is you're going to need some more cardboard. Alrighty, so as you can see I've already cut my shape of cardboard. It doesn't have to be anything special and perfect. But what we're going to do is we're going to mount that onto here. So if I can paint out of them all. Alrighty, so as you can see I already have mine set up right here. I'm going to just tape that together real quick. Alrighty, so as you can see I kind of got so far into my shape, and you can see the inside is already painted as well. So the next step is we're going to go ahead and put a back onto one of these so our light won't leak out. Alright, so I've already designed my back and I'm fixing to cut this out. Okay, so as you can see here now I got this almost completely done. Yes, it looks like crap, but at the same exact time it's not going to, because we're fixing to paint it. So I'm about to get up out of my chair, go past my arena, go to my work table, and just like this, okay, we now have my setup. So if you don't want to paint it, you don't have to paint it. I highly recommend painting it though, because if you don't, it's going to look absolutely trashy. And it probably will take more than one color, or more than one coat, just to be honest. And make sure you have something to paint on too, so you don't get it on your walls and stuff. So next, as you can see here, it's kind of splattering on the tape. No, we're going to let it dry. Actually not. Now we're going to let it dry and come back to it. Alright, so I am back, and as you can see, it looks like my project has dried. My tape has came off a little bit. Epic failed, but however, in the meantime, I've actually built a second one. So the next thing you're going to do, if you have apparently it has not completely dried. But anyways, the next step that you're going to want to do, if you have any, is LED lights. We're really glad that you're a friend, and this is the friendship that will never end. Alright, that was done. Booyah. And gotcha. What the? Anyways. So as you can see now, I have my stage lights here. Let me clear off some of my stuff. And I'm going to show you guys on what these stage lights actually work. Yo, bro, I'm gonna act like Christian and tell you to flip the switch, please. And then I'm actually gonna turn off my overhead lights. And as you can see, my screen is turned just completely dark. And now I have my remote control. You can't see it that well because the lights are off, but I'm gonna hit the on switch. And as you can see now, I have multi-colors. I'm gonna adjust my controller. And now my stage is lit with lights. How fucking cool is this? And if you don't want it like that and you just want it on the stage itself, that would also be pretty unique. As you can see, I have 4 in total that I've already built, and I have a spare light. Let me go ahead and turn some white lights on really quick so you guys can see a little bit. But I don't have batteries for this yet. You can flip that switch, and like that, the lights are back on. So these ones I have plastic in front of. The remote control actually works everything. I have plastic in front of these ones. And these ones I believe would look just a bit better, you know, facing the ramp itself. Let me get those in place. And as you can see now, I have both lights facing the ramp. And then I have 2 lights on my stage. The phone is about dead, but stick around. I'm going to be showing how to do homemade barbed wire bats and steps and rings and announcers tables. So yeah.